Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today we're going to look at this patio. It's a little poolside covering here, and I have a couple of different options I wanted to show this customer. But we also have a couple of different issues that we need to deal with. So first, let's go ahead and just look at our dimensions. I have 17.6. It's actually 17 feet, but I have the 6-inch wall, and then 12-foot height over here to the top of the beams coming across, and 21 feet across from left to right here. Now I don't know what the actual seating arrangement is going to be. I have an idea that they might be putting a TV up here, something of that nature, so this might be completely reversed, but that's okay. Just so you can see quickly, I have a 7-foot span between the two heaters. Typically, I like something in the nature of 9 foot, but let me just explain why I did it that way. Here's the bottom of the heater, 10 foot 7. These could either be the C4024s or CD6024s. Over here you see there's a different model. These are the slimline. I kind of like the slimline better for this application, but the slimline is limited to just a single element, and it might not be the best suited heater for this application because of that. Also, slimlines are extruded aluminum, and with the pool, I'm not quite sure of how much condensation is going to come off that pool, and whether that element's going to affect the casing of the extruded aluminum. Extruded aluminum is only available in the black and or silver color. The structure is all white, so I'm kind of leaning more towards the C model, but that'll be the customer's ultimate decision. So taking off the dimensions for a minute, and here's the problem that I'm having here is, in the image that they sent me, I noticed there's some lighting, and I have this lighting set back at, I believe, 4 feet from the outside edge to the center of the light fixture, and it looks like they are recessed into each one of these beams coming across. So if I was to put the heater a little bit further apart from each other here, then I'll be impeding this beam of light to come down at night. So let me turn that light off. So that's why I have them so close. The array here, you can see these are set up as 4,000 watt units right now, and a 4,000 watt unit isn't quite powerful enough for this height. I'd like to see it a little bit hotter, and that's why I'm leaning more towards possibly having a 6,000 watt unit up here. And so you can see, though, with the beam itself, it covers the area, but it's just not the reach that I would like. Now this will be sufficient for many parts of the year here in Southern California. But on the cool nights, you'd want a little bit hotter of a heater, and having a control system to allow you to set it for whatever temperature you like at that time of day. So now the last thing, and if you notice here on this outside beam here, I have these set up at 10-degree angles. You can go a little bit more, but I didn't want to get too much overlapping in the middle here. So these are straight down, and these represent either heater. So the 4000 C model or the 4000 slimline model will both produce about the same footprint of heat. So you could easily just imagine this style heater being here, or this style heater being over here. The other thing, if you're not interested in that location, another idea would be to come out and go 6 inches. Whoops. Come out to the edge and go 6 inches over, and then bring the heaters up to the bottom edge of the beam here, and you can see that you have similar coverage, so that really hasn't changed, but you'd have to make a custom bracket over here to allow it to be mounted on this edge, and same with this, because you need to maintain that 6 inches of clearance. So in any case, that's what I have for you today. These are actually the C models are available in several different colors, white being one of them. But the reality too that you want to think about is this is what you see mostly, is the face of the unit. And that's true on the slimline as well. So there's two different types of positions. Let me know what you think. If you're looking for help with your outdoor patio heating needs, we're here to help. Give us a call or just send us an email with your dimensions and drawings and or just images, and we'll take a look and see if we can help you. Thank you and have a great day.